Hi, I'm Steve with Agiko Computers. I wanted to talk about wireless. If you have a wireless router or access point, it's transmitting the signal throughout your house and outside your house. It needs to be encrypted with a password so that others can't get on. If they can get on because you don't have an access code, then they can get to whatever shared files you have and copy them or delete them or do whatever they need to. It's a fairly simple process to program your router. For instance, if you have a Linksys router, you would open up your web browser and you would type in the address bar 192.168.1.1 and hit enter. It would take you to the interface on the Linksys router, and there you could set up a password under Security Wireless. If you have like a Quest Action Tech, it's going to be 192.168.0.1. And some of them, like the Netgears, are 192.168.2.1. They have default passwords in them when they come new. For the Linksys, the username is admin, and the default password is admin. For the Netgear, I believe you leave it blank. And a third one, I think it's D-Link, uses password as the password. So try any of those three: admin, password, or leave it blank as the password to get in and program your router. But you need to do that so that you don't have to worry about people taking stuff off your computer without your permission. This is Steve with Agiko.